tasted blood and it is.
I'm cute. I'm the cutest. Hello my party people, welcome back to my channel and a very good afternoon from Goa. We are in Goa. Quickly before we start, I'm gonna show you how we got here. It's only been a couple of hours but so many things have happened. We picked up the wrong luggage at the airport. Then we went to the wrong resort and my friend, which you will see in a minute, she forgot the password of her lock. Like all of this happened in a couple of hours, so I'm already very excited to see what will happen next. But before that, go and check out how we got here. So it's 3 a.m. and I am sleepy and tired and I'm at the airport. I'm waiting for Yachi to come. She should be here in like 5 minutes, I hope so. But I feel so sleepy. I hate morning flights.
Airport. Who is driving? All precautions are taken at the airport.
Yachi has arrived, everybody. Yachi, say hi. Mask to nikal.
No, safety, guys.
There is nobody around and she wants safety. Like, we'll see how safe she is Goa mein. We'll see that.
Hurry.
Everybody. What do you want to eat?
I'm still deciding on it. Baby,
What happened?
we just came to the wrong resort. Oh lol.
Oh well. And we arrived to the correct location.
The entry wasn't that great.
Yeah. I hope this is a better place.
Oh
No, it is. This is better. Okay, we'll show you. ये better है. So I'm thinking to give you guys a quick room tour before we mess it up. So these are 2 small beds, a big window, small table, a fridge, tea, little cupboard with a safe, mirror, I'm so tired, and a nice washroom. So it's a fairly small place, but I think everything else is just so nice. So I love it. I'm gonna quickly eat and then sleep and then talk with you guys. Okay, so right now we just got ready. We took the nap and right now I think it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's super sunny, super nice. We are staying at the Grand Leone Resort. I'm gonna give you more details once I have them, like how expensive it was and everything else. But the check-in was super smooth. It was very nice, and even to get here was very easy. Like we just had to show our COVID report and that's it. So that was pretty easy as well. This is our villa. It's a small little cabin. So right now we are headed to one of the shacks, I think. We are only gonna know in a little while where we are going actually. But I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Let's go. We are here for 2 days. So it's gonna be fun. Actually 3 days.
Chalo, 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 chalo. Yalla, we are late. We are so late. One more. Where are we going, bro?
I forgot the name. Antras.
Okay.
Dekhte hain, where are we going? Okay, so it's been 10 minutes since we've been walking. And our resort is like 15 minutes away. Okay, it's been 10 minutes since we've been walking and our resort is 15 minutes away from this place. It's called Antres. So we're just following the Google Maps, but itna shady jagah pe se it's taking us. It's quite shady, but we have seen like some cool resorts and stuff like that. But none of us know how to drive. So we're just gonna walk around and hopefully get a car. So we're gonna know how safe it is for 2 girls to travel in Goa alone who don't know how to drive. We're gonna see. But अभी तक तो मतलब ठीक ही है सब. क्या बोलती है? ठीक है?
I'm just creeped out, but okay.
Yeah, because there are drunk people and stuff. But we got this. हम लोग we might get like a knife and pepper spray and shit like that. And yeah, just to make feel safer, no? है ना?
Yes.
है ना?
Yes,
So we're gonna
yes.
do that. But it's so hot. Only 4 minutes away. We're gonna see you there.
Vlogger alert. This is the place.
I got this recommendation through a Instagram follower. So I'm very excited to see.
Oh, there are small stores also here. ये cute है.
So we just left Antres. The food was nice. It was good. Vegetarian कैसा था?
अच्छा था.
अच्छा था. And everything was nice. The vibe was very nice. The क्या बोलते हैं उनको? Waiters were very nice. And it was decent. Like we paid 3K for 2 people, 2 drinks and 2 like main course. It was not so bad, but it was not like the cheapest place ever as well. We might or might not go again. Like there was nothing special about it. Did you find anything special about it? पता नहीं, तू देख. We had to. Okay, now we are walking. Now we are walking to a market. It's called the Collective.
Yeah, the Goa Collective Bazaar.
And this madam is shit scared because there are like weird guys on like their bikes. But I think we should be fine till the time it's not like the sun is not set. So we're gonna try to reach there before the sun sets. We don't feel so comfortable right now, but let's see. It's like you can see it from her face. मास्क के अंदर से दिख रहा है ये, मतलब नहीं मजा आ
my eyes.
Yeah, but ठीक है, मतलब it's an experience.
Experience that you don't want to live.
It's not that bad yet, and we would not want it to get bad. So from tomorrow we will definitely get a cab for sure. Trying to find the market, but does not look like this. But there should be something because there are so many cars.
Maybe it's a parking lot.
I don't know where we are at. Apparently there has to be a market, and we are at the parking lot of the market. मुझे ऐसे घूमना इतना पसंद है. I
Such
know,
lost
right?
cases.
Arey, it's nice to be lost. Okay, so and she was on the other side. There's poop everywhere,
One is standing right beside me.
and me too. Like 2 loads of poop.
Can you jump from there to there? No, you can't.
But nahi, the entry she told no over there. Okay, let's ask somebody again because
Jump from there, it's not.
yeah, why not? I can jump from anywhere. I jump to conclusions full time. Bro, you think that's the entry? ले लो.
एक मिनट.
So the ticket was 100 rupees for two of us, and we're gonna go in if we find the entrance. What does it say? What does it say? Welcome to Hilltop. Okay, इसका नाम Hilltop है by the way. I don't think it's shady. I think it's pretty damn cool, especially after sunset.
If you say so.
Yeah, I think it will be pretty cool. I told you, right? So I think there will be like cute,
What do you
cute
mean you told
stores. She suggested the place, but then she was like,
that's me. Watch this place
then
carefully,
she was like,
guys.
then she was like, it would be shady, but it's not shady. Come on, it's not shady. We just got out of what was that? What was that? A market? Yeah, we just got out of the market and the Hilltop market, and we got a car ride because I think it's not safe. And we're gonna go to Olives. Yo. Yalla, let's go. So we got out of the market and we found a car because I think it was not safe for us to like walk and go to Olives. So thankfully we found a car, and he's gonna drive us till Olives, and then from Olives he's gonna drive us back to a resort, which is great. And he's charging us 700 rupees for it, which is not bad because I tried to bargain so much, and cabs in Goa are pretty expensive. So I think it was a nice deal. I don't know. Comment down below if you have taken a cab in Goa and how expensive was it. But let's go to Olives now.
Guys.
Yeah, she's getting dressed right now.
Wait.
Bro.
If you wanna, you can try this way also. Okay?
Amazing. I love it.
You can make a
Please
nice
learn
photo.
how it's done. See, because you're supposed to tie this tomorrow.
And if you want, you can just
Love
try
it.
the. Why you cannot do it?
So tight ho gaya hoga.
tight to Barry.
What's the price of this?
650.
650. This one is for the one
380.
380.
Choose what you want. I'll make a better price for you. This is looking really good on you. Yeah, like that. You can
Guys,
make-
comment down below how does it look.
How does it look?
So we wanted to go to Olives, but I booked the table for 13th of December instead of today. Today is 11th. है ना? So we went back and now we are at Paz.
Let's go.
Paz, and we met this beautiful lady, and we got like flip flops and some cool t-shirts and everything.
That
so
will wear tomorrow.
That will wear tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye. Now we're going here.
Make it rain now. I'll make it rain.
Good morning, everybody. It's day 2 of our Goa trip. We just woke up and we are having food, aloo paratha with another paratha. With another paratha and some tea and some coffee. Last night we did not go to Olives. We went to Olives. We did not get a table. We went to Paz. We had food, a little bit of food there. Then we came back to the hotel at 10:30. We had food at the hotel. Then we went to the pool and we were chilling there. We were playing music. We were talking till 2 a.m. at night, just by the resort on a Friday night. That's it. That's what we were doing. But hopefully today we'll have more. We'll go out somewhere. We will. But we just woke up. It's I think 10:30 or 11. I'm not even sure. It's 10:30, right? This bitch woke me up. But yeah. So then we might also go to the pool. We'll see how the day goes. But right now I feel fresh because I slept a lot. But 2:30 to 10 o'clock मैं सोई हूँ. कितना होता है? 8 घंटे. 7.5. 7.5, 8.5 मैथ कर लो तुम. उतना मैं सोई हूँ. I feel good. This madam did not sleep only.
2:30, 10:30 आधा घंटा कैसे आ गया? मैं exactly
10:30 नहीं 10 o'clock को उठी ना. Sorry everybody. 10 o'clock को उठाई यही है वो औरत. इसने मेरे को उठाई है 10 o'clock को. मैं उठती 11 बजे. चलो ठीक है. Catch you guys later. डर क्यों लग रहा है? Oh my. It's too sunny.
You took this thing now?
I took the keys, yeah. Got ready. We wore the tops that we bought yesterday. This was for 350 rupees. तेरा कितने का था? 600, 700.
हाँ, 6.
So pretty. Turn around. और मेरे अंदर ना it's a reversible top. तो मेरा उल्टा is like this. So it's right.
And she
here.
decided not to match.
अरे तो चाहती थी मैं मैच करूँ. I would have changed it. So we're gonna just go and click some photos. And then we're gonna go to the pool. But it's so hot. I'm not sure if we're going to the pool anymore. Let's see how it is. है ना? We applied a lot of sunscreen. Oh my god, there are people. There are people. I don't like people. Oh no. So we got ready. And we are right now going to the Archana Cafe. We've heard so many things about it. So I was like, why not go there and have some lunch? Right now it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Super sunny, super hot. And we have our cab waiting. We ordered a cab because, why not? Because none of us know how to drive again. So it's better. And it's, I think, half an hour walk from here and a 10-minute cab drive. So staying at the Grand Leonie's, we cannot walk there. So might as well take the cab. Yachu! Madam, looking very pretty.
I was born pretty, my love.
Of course she was. And then a puberty hit you and then you turned out like
Just shut
this.
up. Puberty
What?
hit you very late and very hard.
It's a good thing that it hit me.
It hit you.
Madam is posting some Instagram story. Guys, follow her on Instagram. Her @ will be on her head. I'm gonna put her username over here and you can follow on Instagram.
I need a song. I'm cute. I'm the cutest.
Back to our hotel and we are all ready to go to the swimming pool. The last time we checked there was nobody there, so I hope there is nobody. We'll just go there and have some Chill down. Are you excited, baby? Are you
She was trying to cut me.
Go. Arey, tu meri star, baby. You're a star, bro. You're a star. हम लोग पजामाज में जा रहे हैं, by the way. No.
Okay, the biggest thing is that we have reached the pool and it's empty, and that's what we wished for in the morning, and we're very excited. And yes, you're gonna see the video soon, so bye.
We're gonna start with like 4 feet and then slowly go more into the water. You मेरे को पता नहीं, like I swim, but I've not swam in so long. Last time I swam was in Dubai. So what time हो गया? So I don't know if I'm still like I still have it or no. I'm gonna take my GoPro in the water. I don't know if आजा bebe. Bro, let me tell you, bro. ठंडा है, bro. Oh fuck, it's so nice. पानी के अंदर मैं कभी लेके नहीं गई हूँ, so I don't know how it's gonna work. Should I just try it? Okay. I'm gonna go under and see if the camera does not glitch or anything. So we got done with our pool session, and then we showered, and then we slept, and then we ate, and now we got all ready and we're going out. I don't know if I'm gonna shoot once we are out. I might put in like a few clips, but I might not shoot properly. But this is Yachi madam. She's getting dressed up as well. Wait, I want to show our outfits. Bro, थोड़ा पीछे आना. हाँ, बस ये है. Oh, the mirror is... No, it's not the mirror. हाँ, I'm wearing this, she's wearing that, I'm wearing like matching shoes. So, yeah, all set. I'm gonna show you a few clips. We might go to Cohiba or we might go to Thalassa. I don't know where we will end up. But somewhere nice, hopefully with good music, because last night we were just chilling at the resort. So today we're thinking that we'll go to some nice place. So hopefully we might. Good morning. Another very sunny day in Goa. It's 2 p.m. right now and it's very sunny. Okay, yeah, I think this is a better place. So last night we went to Thalassa, and I just wanted to spend time with Yachi and like have fun over there, so I did not end up vlogging at all. I kept my phone, I did not take my camera, and kept my phone in my bag all the time because I did not want it to like, you know, break or anything. So I did not take any footage of that, so that's a little bit sad, but the vibe was amazing. So I think if you ever come to Goa on a weekend, you should definitely go to Thalassa. Though it's my second time there. We went last year as well. Then we woke up pretty late. I got my COVID test done. So here at the resort, there was this one guy who came and he did my COVID report, and I will get the result by 10 o'clock at night, which is great. He charged me 1200 rupees for that, which is a little bit more expensive than in Bombay, but I think that is fine because we don't have any other option. We would have to go very far otherwise. So we got our COVID test done, and now we are going to the Vagator beach. Super sunny, but since day one we have not been to the beach. So I was like, Goa और beach में नहीं गए तो मतलब क्या भी कर रहे हैं. So we are like, चलो beach पे जाते हैं. So today we'll go to the beach. We'll just chill over there, but I don't know what kind of chilling we'll do because it's so hot. It's so hot, guys. I cannot even tell you, and I'm hardly wearing any clothes. But still, it's so hot. And yeah, so we're gonna do that, and we're gonna take the day as it is. And Yachi madam is late again. It's been 2 hours since we've been like, you know, getting ready, and she's still late. You wanna see? She must still be doing shit. See, look at her.
I'm just, I mean, I'm the responsible one. Just that you
ये ऐसे ही होता है, जब खुद की गलती होती है ना तो फंबल ही होता है, ऐसे ही होता है। चले यार बहन, भूख लगी है इधर। हाँ हाँ हाँ, बैग में डाल दिया। चलो चलो चलो, I'll see you guys in a bit. It's so hot. I made this, and her parents made her. I made her. What is fun?
No, I said I look pretty.
Oh, you look pretty because of me. Oh, cutie patootie. So right now we are at Shri Mahalakshmi Restaurant and Bar. There are only I think 2 shacks over here. So we'll just try the food here. Though it's super hot and there are no fans, nothing. And it's I don't know what time, 2:30 right now. And it's super crowded also. And Madam is coughing. She does not have COVID, guys. Don't worry. We just took the test. But yeah, report आया नहीं अभी तक. I'll keep you guys posted. So this is my food. I was not expecting these kind of prawns, but ठीक है अभी. And madam ordered pancake, but आया crepe. तो अभी हम लोग ये खाएंगे. I don't know how it will taste, but let's find out. So there was a better place right next door, but we did not.
Yeah, because we were very impatient.
Because there were a lot of people, so I don't know.
I love the song, man.
मैं नहीं डाल सकती copyright issues. And we are ready to party. Look at my dress. I love it. Do you guys like it too? I don't know. I think the camera quality is looking a bit not so nice. Never mind. So tonight we are going to Hammers, I think. My friend, my beloved friend Yachi, who's in the washroom, is not feeling so great today. Because we had ice cream, it's just not sitting right for her. So yeah, we're gonna take it a little bit easy tonight. I don't know what we're gonna end up doing or where we're gonna go. Mostly we're going to the Hammers. It's a new place, apparently it's nice. I think it's a new place, I'm not sure. So we're gonna go there, chill. Tonight is the last night in Goa, and then in the morning we have a flight at 6 o'clock, so we might as well not sleep the entire night. So that's the plan for now. Let's see how it goes. Hi Baldi. Hi. Just my life right now, which is her heel broke, so we will try to break another heel. We can do that.
We can actually also go back to the hotel, change in. I have another pair of chappals, something like that. That's flats. Try to break. Yes, जी. मुझे पूरा हील मत तोड़ देना. पता चला मैं ऐसे चल रही हूँ पूरे टाइम. One heel is flat. That's really not interested. Life of Unfortunate series is gonna be the title, my love. Of this vlog. It has to be. It has to be. Also, I'm loving my voice right now. She has told, as I said. Don't make me laugh. Don't make me laugh. Is she gonna wear these like flats? No, she looks beautiful. Bro, you look amazing. What are you saying? Fuck this shit. You look beautiful. Guys, comment down below if Yachi is doing beautiful. Forget about it. Stop. Very annoying. है ना, try कर.
ये इतना गॉसिप बनने वाला है ना, ये तो बड़ा लग रहा है मुझे मेरे लिए.
देख ले. Correct. Oh my god.
आप लोग जा सकते हो, लोग वॉशरूम के लाइन में नहीं खड़े हैं.
She's trying heels of some customer who has left their heels over here. So she's just gonna wear those heels, and I think we are sorted. बहुत
I'm dead. I don't know.
We did look after her tea and it fell down on the floor. It fell, I'm sorry.
See that
If you have watched my video till here, go and subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and comment down below what is something that you liked or did not like about the video, and I will make sure that I take your feedback with an open heart. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you next Sunday. Bye!